Los Angeles, California, and the song is about how the internet isn't punk anymore.
Party at the NSA. 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 Party at the
So first let me say, I never heard of you guys before today, but I really dig your band.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
We're from Los Angeles.
From Los Angeles? Is this your first time in DC?
No, hell no. We've been a band for 10 years.
Oh really? Okay.
It's our first major rally, though.
It is our first major rally.
So how did
first time playing a rally.
how did you come to be at this rally?
Well, we released a song called Party at the NSA, and we built a website around it, partyathensa.com. We're selling the song in trade for any donation from name your price, and 100% of that, not just the profits, not minus the credit card transaction fee, 100% of your donation goes to the EFF, the Electronic Frontier Foundation.
Okay.
So when we released that song, they asked us to come play at this rally, which is so great.
Okay, so are you guys on a label or are you
Yes,
indie?
we're on a label called DFA Records out of New York City.
Okay. Are you touring right now?
We're not. We're making a new album right now.
Okay.
Yeah. But we played in Philly night before last.
All right. So Howard, say something about this national security state since you performed at the rally. So say something about how you feel about the whole surveillance thing.
For us, the internet is like an extension of all the DIY and punk rock spaces that we grew up participating in and putting on shows in. It feels for us like a sacred space, a free space for art and music and collaboration and community, and to have it like tromped on and tainted by government involvement and mass surveillance. It's just like it's a gross feeling, and it makes us feel personally violated as artists. Yeah.
Well, that was really good. Unfortunately, I don't have a good follow-up question for that. When I was researching this, I was trying to find out where and when it was going to be. You know, I need to know where to show up. And I Googled it, and I found on sites like Free Republic and like Teabaggers on Facebook are all speaking very favorably of this event. So do you think it's significant that this is something that the right and left can actually agree on?
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's an issue that transcends personal politics. It's something that is very much affects everyone, no matter who you are.
As one of the speakers said, it's not about right or left, it's about right and wrong.
Precisely. Okay, do you want to, anything you want to say? Just to the world? Tell them to buy your album, whatever.
No, don't buy our albums. Spend your money on political activations.
Yeah, give money to the EFF, give money to the ACLU.
Okay, cool.
This song is a sing-along. It's very simple, even if you don't know it. Either you say, ah, yeah, yeah, or you say, ooh. Alright? You'll see. Looking out the window, and a friend might say, come on over, come on over, come on over, we're having a party for you. Come on over, come on over, come on over, we're having a party for you. Had its own secret life. I might be washing up the dishes, and the kitchen might say, hang around, baby, baby, hang around, baby, baby, hang around, baby, we'll be baking the cake for you. Hang around, baby, baby, hang around, baby, baby, hang around, baby, we'll be baking the cake. I used to live in a heartbeat city. I swear I'd fall in love every minute on the street. You might be walking around the corner